Ahmed is a very old friend of mine. We were assistants together. Actually, I was a DOP and he was an assistant to Saroj Khan. So I know him since donkey's years. But strangely, it's the first time we're working together as a director and a choreographer. So he's wonderful at his work. He's outstanding. He understands exactly what the song is. He knows exactly what to do. Experience always is, there's no substitute for experience, like I always say. So him being so experienced with these kind of songs, especially these kind of item songs, and he's worked a lot with Vipasha also. So he knew exactly he got the pulse of the song spot on the first go, and he's a marvelous job on it. Karan did very well in a show called Jhalak some years back. Jhalak Dikhla Jaya, I think. And so I knew he could dance also. And I told Ahmed that, and he's danced in the song, and you guys will see how. You guys have to tell me if it's good or bad, his dancing. I love it. VFX always does play a very important part in a horror film. Because we got to show the ghost, the ghost has to fly, the ghost has to disappear, and things like that. So yes, VFX is very important in my film. And having done 2 horror films, it kind of helped me in making this film. So I knew exactly how much time each VFX would take and what it would entail. So yeah, VFX is very important, and now and thankfully India now has enough of talent on the VFX front also that they can do justice to these kind of films. So and the music, I have Amar Mohile doing the background music of my film. Background music. See, actually, if I always say this, it's the sound which scares, never the visual. That's why you get scared in the dark. In the dark, you don't see anything. But if you hear something, it's the sound which scares you, never the visual. If you have to not get scared in a horror film, I should not be saying this, being a horror filmmaker. But if you shut your ears and just watch the film, you will never get scared. But shut your eyes and just hear the film, and you'll get very scared. So, sound, music does play a very, very important part. And Amar, who has done the background music for both my previous 2 films, is wonderful at that. And he understands, we have this tuning that he understands exactly what I would like. And I promise you the background music of this film also will be something worth listening to. Oh, Kumarji is a darling. I am so glad. He's one of the few people in life I would have missed if I had not met, if you know what I mean. I have found a friend in him. He's more than a good producer, which he is because he's very experienced. He's a very nice man, and he's a very nice person. He is what he is. He doesn't snitch. He doesn't talk behind your back. He doesn't backbite. He is what anyone would like to be to meet as a person. Abhishek, his son, is an able, capable son. He's also a very creative boy. He should very soon make his film in Panorama. I hope he does soon. So it's been a pleasure working with Kumarji and Abhishek. Hopefully I'll do one more for them after this one. See, in any film, the people who are with the director have to see what's in his mind. I mean, that's the director's job, to tell the crew, his crew, when he hires. See, it's a very old, I forget who said it, that the job of a director is to find the right person for the right job, take a chair, sit in the corner and read a good book. Because if everyone knows what you want, and they will do their job and your film is made. It's the director's job to tell all the heads of departments that this is the vision. If all of them see the same vision that the director has in his mind, it's the director's job that much easier. So it's yeah, you have to have that kind of tuning with your crew. They should be on the same page as you are. It's very important. That's the director's job. So that's part of my job, to get my crew on the same page that I am on and make them see the same visual. If I cannot do that, then it's my fault and not theirs. I haven't had any, unfortunately, but I do get scared. It's not that I'm not scared of ghosts. I also do get scared. If I would not get scared, then I would not be able to make a horror film. Because I have to first, when I shoot a scene, I have to first feel the fear myself. If I do not understand the emotion of fear, then I cannot make you people or cannot translate it across on screen. So I used to get scared. There were times when I was a child, when I remember I was 8 or 9, I used to wake up crying with nightmares. And my mom used to, had to come and she would put me to sleep. Many moons back, 41 years back. But yes, so I do understand the emotion of fear. I do. Though now I confront it. I'm not. See, it's said that if you are okay with the fact, you have to be. People when they get scared of the dark, they are scared that they are scared of the dark. I am not scared that I'm scared of the dark, and hence it makes my job a little easier. So but paranormal activity, any experience that I've had, no, I'm sorry, but nothing. I wish I had something of the sort, but I haven't. And if I do have one, I'll make a film about it, I promise. It was scary then because she's scared of water. She's petrified of water like I am. I'm very petrified of water. And she had told Karan to please make sure I don't fall off and all. And he was very chivalrous. He said, don't worry, I'm very good with this. And he is very good on the water scooter, to be fair to him. But something happened and we almost finished. It was just for the last few shots that I wanted. And sure enough, in trying to turn and spray some water on the camera towards camera, they lost some balance and Bipasha was off the scooter and I froze. When such things happen, I freeze. I didn't move. I was sitting. I just kept sitting there on the boat that I was on till Karan dived in, and then some other 2-3 other people also dived in, and I saw Bipasha's head bobbing out of the water, and that's when I started to move and I started breathing, if I may say so. So but it was when it happened. It was hardly for about 5 seconds, 10 seconds, but those 10 seconds seemed like a very, very long time.